Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Real Technology. In this video, we will show you how to speed up boot time of your laptop and desktop. So let's start. So first, right click on a Start menu and click on Task Manager. Once open, click on a Startup and one by one disable all unwanted application from this Startup menu. So for me, it is showing only 4 5. So one by one I will disable all. Once done, close this window. Now click on a Start menu and search ms config or system configuration. Open it. Once open, click on boot. Now click on advanced option. Now click on number of processor. Now select highest available number processor from here. Now click on OK. Now apply and OK. So now it will ask for restart. Just restart your machine. After restart, it will fix your issue. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.